Hello, and welcome to TestComplete. In this video, we will explain how to handle one of the most common errors occurring in tests, the unable to find the object error. This video consists of 3 parts and covers typical reasons for the error to occur. Why does the error occur in the first place? You can only get this error if you are not using the name map in your tests. If you use name mapping, you will get a similar object does not exist error. To learn how to resolve it, see the 2-part video handling the object does not exist error in TestComplete. If you do not use NameMap, TestComplete addresses objects in your test by their full name in the hierarchy that TestComplete builds for your application. The name consists of the object type, like a process, a browser, a form, and the properties that distinguish the object from its siblings. Usually it's the object's class name, or its name in the application, or its caption. Before simulating a mouse click, keyboard input, or any other action, TestComplete searches for an object that your test is interacting with. If it cannot find the object referred to by its name, it reports the unable to find object error. Usually, this indicates that something has changed in your tested application. If the object's name in the application or its position in the hierarchy has changed, TestComplete will not be able to find the object. Also, if the object is removed from the application or it takes too long for the application to show the object, TestComplete waits for the object until the default timeout is reached, and then reports that it is unable to find the object. In the first part of the video, we will show you how to resolve the error caused by the object name change. Suppose we have a project that tests a web store application. Look at this test log. First, let's check if there are any errors or warnings preceding the unable to find the object error. Usually, the first error message in that log corresponds to the problematic command, and further errors are caused by that first error. If there are preceding errors or warnings in your log, you should fix them first. We have no preceding errors in the log, so let's examine the error itself. TestComplete reports that it is unable to find the object with this name. Go to the Details panel to view the full name of the object to which the missing object belongs. In the Picture panel, we can see the screenshot of our desktop. It was taken when the error occurred. Here, we can see that the needed object was present in the application. To investigate the issue further, double-click the error message to jump to the test command that posted it. The error occurred when the test tried to get to the image object and assign it to a variable. Let's check if the object does exist in our application and its name is correct. To do this, we need our tested application running and being in the same state that it was when the error occurred. If your tested application was closed after the test run, the easiest way to achieve the needed state is to set a breakpoint at the problematic line and rerun the test. As the test reaches a breakpoint, it pauses, and we stop it and start examining the application. The needed object is there. We click on this button to call the Object Spy tool to select the object in the application and examine it. We can see that the object's identifier property used to form the object's name differs from the one used in the test. In the test, the name ends with 256. That's why TestComplete was unable to find the object. Let's update the object name in the test. The easiest way to do this is to copy the object's new name and replace the object's old name with the new one. If the object name is dynamic, that is, if some parts of it vary between runs, it's possible to replace these variable parts with wildcards, for example, with an asterisk. Let's see how our test will work if we replace part of the object name with an asterisk. Now, we remove the breakpoint from the test because we no longer need it, and we close the tested application to start a fresh test. We rerun the test. This time, TestComplete finds the object successfully. This means the error is fixed. Before we finish, we would like to highlight the major key points of fixing the unable to find the object error. Examine images posted to the test log during the run to learn your application's state when the error occurred and check if the needed object was present in the application. When troubleshooting the error, have your tested application running and in the same state as when the error occurred. Okay, we have covered only one of the typical causes of the unable to find object error. To learn how to resolve the other possible causes of the error, please watch the following videos.